Kaspa Mining. Learn how to mine for crypto right now. Introduction. We've already covered Kaspa Crypto in another video, and so today we're diving into the world of Kaspa Mining, a key player in the mining industry that is making waves with its innovative approach. Kaspa Mining has been turning heads in the crypto industry with its innovative approach to mining cryptocurrencies. As one of the leading mining platforms, Kaspa Mining offers users the opportunity to mine cryptocurrency efficiently and profitably.
Fun fact 1. Short but mighty. Kaspa launched in late 2018, making it a youngster in the crypto world.
Understanding how to mine for crypto effectively is essential in today's digital age. By mastering crypto mining techniques, individuals can not only secure their financial future, but also potentially earn substantial profits. Imagine being able to earn passive income simply by mining cryptocurrencies from the comfort of your own home. With the right knowledge and tools, anyone can tap into the lucrative world of crypto mining. As we explore the world of Kaspa crypto mining, viewers are invited to uncover the right techniques and strategies for successful mining. The allure of mining Kaspa lies not only in the potential rewards, but also in the opportunity to contribute to a decentralized and secure financial ecosystem.
Fun fact 2. CPU champ. Once. Kaspa was initially designed for CPU mining, allowing anyone with a decent computer to join the party.
Understanding Kaspa Mining. Kaspa Mining stands out in the world of cryptocurrencies due to its unique features and innovative approach to blockchain technology. Let's explore the fundamentals of Kaspa Mining and discover how it sets itself apart from other digital currencies. One of the key features that make Kaspa Mining efficient is its use of the GhostDAG, Directed Acyclic Graph, protocol. Unlike traditional blockchain structures, GhostDAG allows for faster transaction processing and increased scalability. This innovative design enables Kaspa to handle a higher volume of transactions with lower latency, making it a promising option for miners seeking efficiency and speed.
Fun fact 3. The rise of ASICs. In 2023, Kaspa-specific ASIC miners, specialized hardware, became available, supercharging mining efficiency.
In Kaspa Mining, the algorithm known as Ghost, Greedy Heaviest Observed Subtree, is utilized to select the main chain from the DAG structure. This algorithm enhances security and consensus within the network, ensuring that transactions are validated accurately and efficiently. The Ghost algorithm's advantages include improved resistance to attacks and a more streamlined validation process, making Kaspa Mining a reliable and secure option for miners. When it comes to potential rewards, mining Kaspa offers miners the opportunity to earn Kaspa coins as incentives for validating transactions and maintaining the network. These rewards can vary based on factors such as mining difficulty and network participation, providing miners with a chance to earn a valuable digital asset while contributing to the growth and security of the Kaspa ecosystem.
Fun fact 4. Mining. Kaspa uses a mining algorithm called Kaspa Hash, which is designed to be energy efficient.
Setting up your mining rig. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of setting up your mining rig for efficient Kaspa mining and maximizing your mining potential. To ensure smooth and successful mining operations, you'll need to gather the necessary hardware components for your mining rig. Key hardware requirements for efficient Kaspa mining include a powerful graphics processing unit, GPU, or application-specific integrated circuit, ASIC miner, and a reliable power supply unit, PSU. In addition, the hardware needs a motherboard with multiple PCIe slots, adequate cooling systems, and a stable internet connection.
Fun fact 5. Block reward. Miners receive a block reward of 10 Kas for each block mined.
Once you have assembled your mining rig hardware, the next step is to install the essential software for mining operations. Popular mining software options for Kaspa include Gminer, NBMiner, and TeamRedMiner, which are compatible with a variety of GPUs, and offer user-friendly interfaces for configuring and monitoring your mining activities. To optimize your mining rig settings for maximum performance, it's crucial to fine-tune parameters such as hash rate, power consumption, and temperature control. Adjusting these settings can help you achieve optimal mining efficiency and profitability while ensuring the longevity of your hardware components. By following these steps and guidelines, you'll be well on your way to setting up a successful mining rig for Kaspa and embarking on a rewarding mining journey in the world of cryptocurrencies.
Fun fact 6. Privacy. Kaspa uses a privacy protocol called zero-knowledge proofs to protect transaction data.
Choosing the right mining pool. Joining a Kaspa mining pool is a strategic move for miners looking to enhance their chances of earning rewards and maximizing their mining efficiency. When it comes to Kaspa mining, selecting the right mining pool can make a significant difference in your mining experience. Let's explore the importance of mining pools and how to choose the best one for your Kaspa mining endeavors. Mining pools offer several benefits, including increased chances of earning mining rewards through collective efforts, more consistent payouts, and reduced variance in income. By pooling resources with other miners, you can combine your computational power to solve blocks more quickly and receive a share of the rewards based on your contribution.
Fun fact 7. GPU mining. Kaspa can be mined using GPUs, making it more accessible to individual miners.
When comparing different Kaspa mining pools, consider factors such as pool hash rate, payout frequency, fees, and user interface. Popular Kaspa mining pools include Poolin, F2 Pool, and Luxor, each offering unique features and fee structures. By evaluating these aspects, you can choose a mining pool that aligns with your preferences and mining goals. For beginners looking to start mining Kaspa, a reliable and beginner-friendly mining pool recommendation is Luxor. With its user-friendly interface, competitive fees, and responsive support team, Luxor provides an excellent entry point for novice miners to kickstart their Kaspa mining journey with confidence. By selecting the right mining pool for your Kaspa mining activities, you can optimize your mining experience, increase your chances of earning rewards, and be part of a collaborative mining community dedicated to the success of the Kaspa network.
Fun fact 8. Rapid transaction speed. Thanks to its block DAG architecture, Kaspa boasts incredibly fast transaction speeds, making it one of the fastest POW cryptocurrencies.
Mining strategies and best practices. Embarking on a journey into Kaspa. Mining requires more than just hardware and software. It also demands a strategic approach and adherence to best practices to ensure success in the competitive mining landscape. Let's explore effective strategies and best practices that can help you achieve optimal results in your Kaspa mining endeavors. To maximize mining efficiency and profitability, consider implementing the following tips and strategies. Regularly monitor and adjust your mining rig settings for optimal performance. Join a reputable mining pool to increase your chances of earning rewards. Diversify your mining portfolio to mitigate risks and stay informed about market trends and developments in the world of cryptocurrencies. While Kaspa mining can be a rewarding endeavor, miners often face challenges such as fluctuating mining difficulty, hardware malfunctions, and network congestion. To overcome these obstacles, maintain regular maintenance of your mining rig, stay updated on software updates and security patches, and seek support from online communities and forums for troubleshooting assistance and stay aware of regulatory changes.
Fun fact 9. Marathon's diversification. Bitcoin miner. Marathon mined 15 Minuters worth of Kaspa tokens to diversify its revenue, indicating the profitability of Kaspa mining.
Security and maintenance tips. Securing your mining operations and maintaining your mining rig are essential practices for ensuring the longevity and success of your mining endeavors. By implementing cybersecurity measures, conducting regular maintenance, and staying proactive with backups and updates, you can safeguard your mining assets and optimize your mining rig's performance for the long haul. When it comes to cybersecurity, protecting your mining assets from potential threats is paramount. Educate yourself on best practices such as using secure passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and avoiding suspicious links or downloads. Additionally, consider storing your digital assets in secure hardware or paper wallets and implementing encryption protocols to safeguard your mining rewards from unauthorized access. To maintain the longevity of your mining hardware, follow maintenance tips such as cleaning dust buildup regularly, monitoring temperatures to prevent overheating, and ensuring proper ventilation for optimal airflow. By conducting routine checks and addressing any hardware issues promptly, you can extend the lifespan of your mining rig and maximize its efficiency.
Fun fact 10. High profit margins. Mining machines for Kaspa can generate profit margins of up to 95%, according to Marathon Digital Holdings.
Regular backups and updates are crucial for maintaining the security of your mining operations. Create backups of your mining configurations and wallet information to prevent data loss in case of hardware failure or cyber incidents. Stay vigilant with software updates to patch vulnerabilities and protect your mining rig from potential security breaches. Conclusion: learning the right way to mine Kaspa is crucial for maximizing your mining efficiency, profitability, and overall experience in the cryptocurrency space. By implementing best practices, staying informed about industry trends, and continuously refining your mining techniques, you can position yourself for long-term success in the dynamic world of Kaspa mining. Now is the perfect time to kickstart your crypto mining journey and join the thriving community of Kaspa miners.
To stay connected and access more valuable insights and tips on Kaspa mining and other cryptocurrency topics, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and explore our diverse range of content. Let's now get the disclaimer out of the way. This video is for informational purposes only and not intended to give financial advice.
Subscribe for more content.